Hello. Today's Tuesday bonus video is a classic, and by that, I mean it's old. One of the first we made. It's a real back to basics with Kitchen Lady dropping some knowledge on how to prepare vegetables. So hold on to your hat. This one promises to be a real barn burner.
Hi, I'm Judy Ludy, and this is Puppet.
Hello.
And in today's episode, we are going to show the basics of vegetable prep.
Yes.
So I thought we'd start with carrots. Let's start with the heirloom carrot. You buy an heirloom carrot.
Yes.
I like to buy them with the tops attached. They're fresher, sweeter, all of that. But often people want to take the carrot, take off the tops, take off the bottom, and then start hacking away with their peeler. Often people want to go boop, 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 and it's inefficient, and you can also take the skin off your thumb.
That sounds like spaceship.
A better way is this way. Take the carrot, clip off the top, leave the tip, leave the top, and leave it intact, and then take the peeler. And this technique will give you swoops all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rotating it, 7, 8 swoops. Then snip off the tip, leave the top if you like, and there's so many things you can do with it. Then you've got it ready to roast. Now you can leave it, split it in half if you like, and then, well, we'll do that. Split it in half if you like, leave it whole.
Talk to me, lady.
You can hack it down whole, like this if you want.
Yes, yes.
Even leaving the tip on, that's a nice way to roast it for Sunday chicken dinner.
Okay.
Cut it in half, cut it up for soups. You know, it's a carrot. Next is celery. But people forget celery has hair. So using the same technique that we learned with the carrot,
Yes, yes.
strips. And then you're not eating it.
Looks very smooth.
It is. It's very smooth. Oh, see, feel it?
Yes, very smooth.
You can put it down the middle. Can't do that. You can go just like that. And then you have clean and
Hey.
all that.
You're not allowed to eat. Only eat if you're going to share with the rest of class. You taste?
Yep.
Oh, that was mistake.
Oh, you can't just spit
We ate
things
it.
out in the
We
kitchen.
eat it,
Did you? No, you didn't.
maybe.
Asparagus spears. See how that spear has those little triangle things there?
Very rough.
Take your peeler and peel that like we did with the carrot technique. And then you can snip it where it goes naturally, and look at, you've got a nice piece of clean asparagus.
Clean.
Much nicer, much better presentation, and much easier to eat.
Yes, yes.
So, what, you got one more left in you?
Sure.
Okay. So, we're moving into corn.
What not more exciting than vegetables?
You know what?
Ugh.
Again,
Be excited. Be excited.
we must get through the basics before we move to advanced.
Of course.
Okay, we've all done it. You're trying to cut the corn off the cob, use it for whatever you want, and you're chasing the cobs and the nib.
Never done that.
Never.
Never.
And it's hard to get it off the cob. So
Okay.
I've seen the pros. With the pros do this. They're trying to go up this way, but they're not cutting it off because they're only using like an inch of a 10-inch blade. So what I've been taught and have seen is if you go up like that, using the whole part of the blade. Now, again, I would caution against that, and I think the easier, safer way, please use this technique because this is the, yes,
You saying this for pros like us?
pros like me.
Oh.
The better technique for you is to put it on its end and make sure your knife is sharp, and then just cut it down easily off the cob, just like that. You're not chasing the niblets. It's all cutting down.
Funny word. Niblet.
It's a corn niblet. And that's it. You've got a nice little piece there, and it's all in one pile, ready
Very
to
nice.
cook. That is it for today. Do you have any questions before we sign off?
Yes.
What?
When do we make cookies?
No cookies.
Cake?
No cake.
Pizza?
No pizza. We're doing vegetables today. Vegetables.
Calamari?
No calamari. That's the seafood segment. Why don't we?
Guess we all done now.
Thank you. And we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Thank you.
Bye bye.